Welcome back, darlings. No detailing in this, I just found this bit of footage and I thought you might find it interesting. Back in 2019, I had a Honda Africa Twin motorbike and I had the Innovv K2 dashcam on it. This is a footage of me working my way back from Reading, where I worked at the time, all the way back to Cobham. And I thought you might just find it a bit interesting to see what a commute like this is like from the insight of a motorcyclist. So I did this journey 4 days a week for about a year, although only the first 3 months of it were on this Africa Twin, because it is a big bike and especially big for threading through all of this traffic. It's hard work, very wide handlebars. So I actually changed that for a Honda VFR 800F after a while, and I loved that bike. I sold it during COVID because I wasn't commuting anymore like I am here. And there's not a day goes by that I don't miss that bike, because I now have a Honda NC750X, which is nowhere near as good. Anyway, as we're about to roll into Cobham, where I live, I don't need to show you exactly where I live. I thought you'd find the whole thing interesting. Let me know down in the comments.